Let's learn corner table. It's choreographed by Maddison and Thompson, Szymanski. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn corner table. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to press our right foot forward, so using the front half of your right foot, you're going to lean into the ball of your right foot with a bent right knee. And as you do this, you can roll your right shoulder forward, and then as you recover back onto your left, you can roll your shoulder back. We're now going to do a right coaster cross, stepping your right foot back, left together, cross your right over your left. Step your left foot to the left side, drag your right foot into your left, and then step your right next to your left. And we're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your press. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, into the 130 diagonal, we're going to do a brush, kick, hitch, step back. So we're going to brush our right foot forward into the diagonal. As you brush forward, you're going to do a kick. We're now going to hitch our right knee up, and then you're going to step your right foot back that's next to your left. You want this to be like a curving motion, so it comes up and around when you're doing that step. Also, you can come up on the ball of your left foot as you do it. So as you do that kick forward, you finish your brush, you're going to come up on the ball of your left foot, bring your knee up, and then recover back down. Weight will be on your right foot. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. Step forward with your right foot. We're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 1030, and then look over your left shoulder towards 730. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, putting weight onto our right foot to face 130, and then we're going to do a ball step half. So we're going to step the ball of our left foot forward into the diagonal. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 730. And you want this to slightly travel forward when you come to this diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our crossing shuffle. Remember, you can come up on the ball of that left foot if you would like. It's just a styling option. It does kind of help with that motion. But if you're somebody that does not like to do that or you can't do it, you can just do the brush, kick, hitch part. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your brush, kick, hitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to make an eighth of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to do an 8th lock step back, turning over that left shoulder. You're going to make an eighth of a turn, stepping back with your left foot to face 430. Cross your right over your left, step back with your left. We're going to rock our right foot back, and you can kind of pop this knee slightly as you rock back, and then we're going to recover, and you're going to do 2 walks forward, and you want them to kind of be sassy walks, so you're walking forward, but they're going to slightly cross over, so you're walking right, left, so kind of like you're strutting forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on our right, you're facing 730, you're going to step forward with the left, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do mambos. So we're going to cross rock our right over our left, kind of heading into that diagonal. So it's going to be like you're kind of rocking forward, but you want this right foot to come over your left. You're going to recover back onto your left and step your right foot to the right side, squaring up to the 6 o'clock wall. You're now going to cross rock your left over your right, going into that diagonal. So you want to angle your body to the diagonal, recover back onto your right, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot, and we're going to do a slow half pivot over our left shoulder. You're going to keep your weight on your right foot as you make this half turn to face 9 o'clock, and then we're going to shuffle forward with our left, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left or facing the 430 diagonal. You're going to do your cross mambo. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, doing that press forward. So it's press, recover, coaster, cross side, drag, together, crossing, shuffle, diagonal, rush, hitch, step, coaster, step, step, quarter, quarter, ball, half, forward, 8, back, rock, back, recover, walk, walk, cross mambo, 8, cross mambo, quarter, slow half pivot, shuffle forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your press. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now the dance does end facing 12 o'clock, but you are going to end on your press. So you'll be coming out of your half pivot and your shuffle forward. You're just going to do that press forward and hold. So you're going to roll that shoulder forward, kind of lean into this foot, and that is where you're going to hold until the music ends. Nice, easy ending. You don't have to worry about changing walls. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your press forward. So it's press, recover, coaster, cross, side, together, crossing, shuffle, diagonal, rush, kick, hitch, back, coaster, step, step, quarter, quarter, ball, half, forward, 8, back, rock, back, recover, walk, walk, cross mambo, square up, cross mambo, quarter turn, slow half pivot, shuffle forward. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Press, recover, coaster, cross, side, drag together, crossing triple. Now it's your brush hitch, step, coaster, step, step, quarter, quarter, ball, half, forward, 8, back, rock, back, recover, walk, walk, cross mambo, square up, cross mambo, quarter, slow half pivot, shuffle forward. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now remember, the dance is called corner table, so you are going to be going to your corners when you do this dance. So most of the dance will be done into the diagonals, if that is helpful for you to remember. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn corner table. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Baby, what you wanna do tonight? twice.